Breathe in and just arrive. Gently close your eyes and come to your Tadasana line. Today's practice, I really want you to take it a little slower than we usually take it. I want you to just discover the true nature of what's going on right here, right now. And I want you to focus on your exhalation. So breathe into your Ujjayi breath. Take your time with that. And as you exhale, focus on that feeling in your body with the breath coming out of the belly. Inhale, take your time. Just keep arriving. Exhale, gentle release. Inhale, 2 more breaths. Exhale. And then one final one. Breathe in deep. As you exhale, cultivating the awareness of being with the body right here, right now. Oh, so many plays this morning. Nice and slow. Inhale and take the palms up over the head. Take your time and exhale. Yoke the movement with the breath and the body. See guys, I'm looking at the screen. Do you see the sunlight? Isn't that amazing? One final time. Welcome the angels into your space. As you exhale, let the palms float forward. Breathe. Inhale, take the palms up to the knees. Lengthen the spine. Feel the opening of the back body. Exhale, drop, just gentle release. Inhale, pull the palms up. Breathe deeply. Exhale, just let the breath go. Focus on the exhalation. Inhale, if you focus on the exhalation, the inhalation will come all on its own. Take your time and inhale, pull the right leg back, breathing in deeply. Slowly and gently drop that right knee down. As you inhale, open the knee out and let the toe come out. Up. Gentle release and let the toe come down. Inhale, breathe open the ankle, the knee. Exhale, you guys can see it. And then you're just opening like that. I'm not sure if that's right there. Inhale, just open. Exhale, drop and release down. Final 2. Inhale, the toe lifts up. That side line of the toe lifts, big toe. Then exhale, drop that side line down. One final time. Inhale deeply. Slow and gentle release. Exhale deeply. Inhale and exhale. Take the front leg to the back. Land on all your knuckles here. And as you exhale, press the heels down and open into your first dog of the day. Then the right knee, and then the left knee, and just gently open your hips and walk the dog. Take your time, breathing in and breathing out. Just again, focusing on the exhalation. I want you to really open into the breath, and as you focus on the exhalation, I want you to just play with 2 forms today. Relax and release. Inhale and exhale. The yin and the yang. Beautiful, guys. Inhale, pull yourself forward, come to full plank. As you exhale, press back, gentle release. Again, if this is too much for people on their wrists, you're always welcome to come down to your forearms, coming to plank here on forearms, and pressing back into dolphin. You decide what works best for you. Already engaging the core. Forward and pressing back. Last 3, guys. Last 3. Inhale deeply. You decide what works best for you. Breathe in again. Breathe out again. One final time. Inhale deeply. As you exhale, press and open into the downward dog. Take your time. Let that left heel come into the center of the mat. Take your time. Let the right heel go up nice and high. 3-legged dog. Take your time. Bend at the knee. And then exhale, gentle release, open. Bend at the knee. and exhale, release open. Remember, your practice is to focus on the exhalations. As you do that, the inhalations will come on their own. Exhale, last one, and release. Slowly bend the knee here, and then just circle. Circle deeply, opening and drawing invisible circles on the ceiling with your knee. One final breath, and then circle the other direction. Breathe deep. Notice what's going on with the shoulders. If it's too much, feel free to come down to the forearms. Feel free to just land in child's pose. One final breath. Inhale, take your time. Pull the knee in towards the nose. Round out your spine. Exhale, core work in the very beginning here. Inhale, bring the knee in towards the same elbow. Exhale, sink and release. One final time. Inhale to the opposite elbow. If you can touch, fantastic. Exhale, gentle release. Nice and slow. Drop that right knee down. Find your downward dog. Breathe deeply. Land your chest towards your thighs, holding and breathing into your downward dog. Slowly and gently pull yourself forward to full plank. Drop down on your knees, drop 10 toes, and now gently drop your shoulders. Oh, for these 3 cobras, put the fingertips in front, pull the shoulder blades together, and then inhale, pull the elbows together and lift up through the crown of the head. Exhale, drop and release. Last 2, guys, last 2. Feel the opening in your lower back. Release the exhalation. One final time, breathing in deep. The focus is on the exhalation. Take the palms up to right underneath the shoulders. Press yourself up into all fours. Tuck the toes under, full awareness, and lift the hips high into the air. Slowly lift that right leg up, front and center, 3-legged dog. Exhale, land, breathe deep. Slowly and gently let that front knee come over the front ankle. Bend that heel, lift the left heel up to the right. Inhale, take your time, pull yourself all the way up. Exhale, sink into your heels, feel the strength of your quadriceps. Inhale, pull up. Exhale, find cactus arms. Give me 3 more. Inhaling and exhaling. 2 more, 2 more. Feel the waves of your breath. Focus on the exhalation. One final time, breathing in. And as you exhale, relax and release. Slowly take the palms all the way up. And then as you exhale, land in your true nature. Take your time. Inhale, palms come all the way up. As you exhale, dive in, swan dive into the body. Breathe the palms up to the knees. Exhale and notice. Breathing deeply. See if you feel more flexibility than when you just first started this at the beginning of class. Exhale, release. Just 2 more, 2 more. The focus is on the exhalation. One final time. Breathing in and breathing out. Inhale. Take your time. Let the palms come down. Exhale. Take your time. Let the left leg come back. Breathe deeply. Let this front knee come over the ankle and take your time. Open that knee out. Letting the edge of your toes land there. Okay? So breathe in, open, and gentle release. Breathe out. Here we go. Inhale, poor Addie. I think we lost her. Hopefully, Addie, you're back. And exhale, open. Inhale. Exhale. You're just playing here with opening your hips. One final time. Breathing in and breathing out. Inhale, exhale, front leg to the back. Press into your fingers, into your knuckles as you release all the way back. Inhale, find full plank. Feel your strength. Come to your core. Exhale, press and release back. Inhale, engage the core muscles so that you can feel the strength of the core. Exhale out through the crown of the head. Last three. Go at your own pace. Find your own true nature here. 2 more times. There's no need to rush. You have all the time in the world on the mat, right here, right now. One final breath. And as you exhale, focus on that exhalation. Take the right leg, place it in the center of the mat. Lift the left leg up nice and high. Breathe and bend. Exhale, release and relax. Inhale deeply. Heel comes to the opposite hip. Open into your shoulders. Lengthen the breath. Lengthen your spine. One final breath. And then slowly exhale, release the heel out. Square the hips and gently pull the knee in towards the nose. As you exhale, press and release out. Inhale, pull all the way in. Exhale, release all the way out. Inhale, come to the same elbow. See if you can touch. Exhale, kick and release. One final time, see if you can touch. Exhale and release. Great job, guys. Breathe that heel down. Press yourself into your downward dog and focus on the exhalation. Take your time and inhale, pull yourself to full plank. Take your time and exhale, drop the knees, drop the toes, drop the shoulders. Ooh. Inhale this time, pull the palms up to cactus arms, and then exhale, let the arms come forward. Inhale, pull up, the whole body lifts to upper body lifts. Exhale, drop and release. The yin and yang of this, press into the toes, but lift the heart. Exhale, release. Last 2, guys, last 2. Breathe deep. Pull the shoulder blades together. Release and let go. One final time, breathe deep, open the collarbones, and then exhale, relax and let go. Let the palms come together. Let you just cradle your forehead right there. True nature. True nature is who you are, and you're just cradling that goodness in the heart, in the head, and mostly in the spirit. Let your hips rock back and forth. Breathing into triple warmer rock. Breathe out. Focus on the exhalation. Last 3 breaths, guys. As you focus on exhaling deeper, rest and release. Relax and release the tension in the body. Take the palms right underneath the shoulders. Breathe yourself up into all 4s. Take your time breathing in deep. Tuck the toes under and exhale. Find your downward dog. Inhale, take your time. Lift your left leg up nice and high in the air. As you exhale, land that heel, that knee right over the heel. Breathe deeply. Let that back heel come to the front. So both heels are front of the mat. Inhale, pull up. Exhale, open. Inhale, pull up. Focus on the exhale. Focus on the exhale. Each time you exhale, how much more can you relax into the body? Each time you exhale, how much can you release tension from the body? One more time. Exhale and land. Inhale, pull the palms all the way up. Exhale, landing in true center. Take your time and inhale, pull the palms all the way up. As you exhale, dive all the way in. Inhale, let the palms come to the knees. Lengthen and feel the difference. Breathing in, breathing out. Last 3, guys. Go at your own pace. It's your own art form. Every time you come to the mat, you paint your own canvas. One final time. Inhale, gentle exhale. This time, let the crown of your head come all the way to the mat. Keep that gentle bend in the knee and reach your elbows over to the opposite, your palms to the opposite elbows. Keep dropping the crown of your head. Keep breathing in deep and gently corkscrew your body to the right and gentle screw to the left. Take your time. Go a little deeper with each breath. Remember, the exhalation focuses you on the relaxation and release of the body. Last two, guys, last two. Notice how you're sinking deeper with the forehead. Notice how you're sinking deeper with the breath. Slowly and gently, only if it feels right for you. If coming into gorilla pose, which is where you take your palms and you press your toes down into your palms, releasing all that blood, just doesn't feel right, no big deal. Modification is just to grab onto your calves and just release. Open into the relaxation of pulling those hamstring muscles down into the heels. Gently, gently taking the bend out of your knees. You keep lengthening those muscles. Breathe deeper. Breathe into some sense of release from the tension in the back body. And slowly and gently relax into that release. Excellent, guys. If your palms were underneath your toes, breathe them up and out of gorilla pose. Let the blood come back in and just sense and feel that release. Take your time and take your right leg back, breathing in deep, and slowly drop that back knee down. Inhale nice and slow. If you have a block and you want to go grab a block right now, by all means do so. This might help for those of you to get just a little closer to the floor. You're going to take your time, breathe your toe under and lift into a full lunge. So here you can be on that block or you can release just onto the mat, whatever works for you, okay? Taking your time, inhale, press the right palm down into the mat, and as you exhale, lift the left palm high to the sky. Remember the last class I showed you and tried to cue you guys into what stretching was all about. It's not just about breathing that right arm up or left arm up. It's about breathing the right palm down to the ground. It's a yin and yang here. It's a gentle relaxation and then a gentle release. So just one more breath, one more breath. Slowly and gently release that top arm out. Drop that top arm down into the mat. Let the back heel drop down into the mat. And you decide. You can take the elbow up and open the right palm up to the sky. Or you can keep that left palm down onto the mat or down onto the block. Whatever works for you. But you want to just make sure that that elbow is pressed right there against that knee, so that you can reach to the sky with the right palm. So the yin and yang again of this. You're not only reaching for the sky, you're pressing to the earth. Breathe deep. Relax and release. One more breath, one more breath. Take your time, take your time. And then just let that top arm float forward. Take the body, release the back heel up. Take the body forward, finding full lunge, and then slowly, gently, dropping that back knee down. And then if you have blocks, feel free to grab your blocks, put them on either side, and lift that toe up towards the knee. Feeling deep sensations here as you stretch deeply into half Hanuman stretch. Open into the sensations of your body, focusing on the exhalation so that you can focus on the release and relaxation happening in the muscles. One final breath. Inhale, float forward. Take your time and gently reach for the back heel. if this is enough for you, feel free to do that. If you have a strap, feel free to grab a strap. Do not keep putting yourself into positions where you're just extending far beyond your limit. Listen to the body. Make this an art form. If this is too much strain, then it's not meant to happen. Then it's meant to just be a relaxation. Play with this canvas that you have. It doesn't have to be this. It can be this, it can be this, it can be this. Whatever palette and color is in your body right here, right now. Breathe deep and relax into the art form that's happening in your body. I invite you to take one final breath. Whatever pose you're in, release it. And then slowly and gently, releasing the front leg to the back, taking your time, tucking yourself into a child's pose, exhaling deeply, finding cat. Not child's pose, cat pose. Inhale, finding cat. Exhale, releasing into cat. One final time, breathe in deep. And then exhale, gentle release. So just sit with that, feel that. And then slowly again, same leg. Remember, this canvas has never been seen before, so we're just playing. We're breathing in deep, and that left leg is coming forward, knee over the ankle, and you're pulling yourself up with the right palm. So last week I introduced the camel pose right in the beginning of practice. Today we're going to play with another creative movement of it. I want you to inhale, take your time, lift your body straight up. And then now as you exhale, you're dropping into like a half camel, letting the back of your hip here, the buttocks, drop down. But at the same time, the front toe is pulling forward. So it's the movements and feeling and breath and intention of camel, but you're still holding that front leg forward. In camel, just a reminder, you guys just hold this. It's like this, right? Last week, this was camel. But now, your left heel is forward. You're breathing your back hip, your right hip, all the way back, all the way back. And then nice and slow go, nice and slow. Release the other palm, left palm. And then when you're ready, take your time, take your time. Right palm falls to meet the left palm. And with that left leg extended, whoo, breathe that right palm back. Touch if you can. If you're not touching, no big deal. Palm right there on the back of the thigh and lift the left palm up. With the lever of the left palm, take your time, take your time. It's your canvas. It's whatever color you want to paint. Go for that back heel if it's in you. Put that splash of color there if you can feel it. But it's your breath. It's your art form. Feel whatever is in your body right here, right now, and sense the pose. One final breath. And slowly, slowly release. Woo! Excellent, excellent. Take your time. Breathe deeply. Oh, great job, guys. Feel and stretch into that deep, deep lunge. Back leg comes to the front, sinking into your heels. Take your time and inhale. Pull yourself all the way up. Exhale, release and open. Inhale, pull up. Your body knows what to do. Just trust it. Exhale, release. Last three. Remember, the focus is on the exhalation. The inhalation will take care of itself. Last two breaths here. Just play, just play, just paint, just make some art. One final time. Exhale, release. Inhale deeply, pull up. Find your center above over your head. Exhale, land that center in the heart. Inhale, take the palms up. Exhale, dive all the way in. Inhale, take your time. Whoo, drop that left leg back. Breathe deeply. Take your time and just arrive into the body. Take your time breathing, opening here. You grab that block if you need it, that extra space to touch the ground. Press into the back toe mound and lift the right arm, nice and high. You're playing with this stretch. It's not just about reaching for the skies. It's about landing and being grounded in the earth. 3 more breaths. Release and relax. Take whatever you feel in the body right here, right now. Maybe the arm wants to go forward. Maybe the arm wants to go back. Be static with this. Play with the arm. Slowly, gently release that top arm forward. Take your time and remember your 3 options. Elbow to the knee, release the palm down to the block, or release that palm all the way down into the mat. Drop the back heel down, elbow comes into the knee, and lift the left palm high into the sky. And open. Feel that stretch. Feel the yang to the yin of the movement before. Breathe deep and let the whole body relax into this moment. You decide, arm overhead, arm to the back, arm totally still. Really focusing your attention on pressing down to the mat and lifting all the way up to the ceiling. 1 final breath. And a gentle, gentle release. Slowly and gently, take the palms down on either side of the front leg. Lift the back heel and slowly and gently drop the back knee. Let the body reach back. Let the toe reach towards the knee. Breathe deeply and just land the best that you can, your hips on the back heel. Take your time. Notice the breath. Take your time to meld the mind with the body. Let the breath be the bridge. 3 more breaths. Slowly release that knee right over the ankle. Slowly taking your time and lifting that back heel up, reaching for that back heel, and maybe not touching on this side because of an accident, a tennis injury, whatever it was that happened in your body. Open into the possibility of connecting, but allowing if it doesn't. Breathe deeply and find the art form that works for you. Take your time to play with the movement here. Let the top shoulder, the right shoulder, keep opening up as you press the chest into the right knee. 3 more breaths. Discover what's working for you. Play with whatever colors you want on your canvas this morning. 1 final breath. And gently, gently release. Woo. Take your time. Slowly release that knee to knee. Take your time. Tuck your chin in towards your chest and round down into your cat. You exhale deeply, open into your cow. Breathe in. Breathe out. Last 3 breaths. Focus on your exhalation. in neutral spine again. Lift that right knee all the way back up over that right ankle. Breathe deeply and take your time. Lift that left arm all the way. Slowly and gently drop the left hip back towards the back. Take your time and just open into the sensation of opening the hips. Slowly, gently, let the right palm come up, and then slowly let the left palm pull back down. And you decide where camel's gonna happen. Slowly take the bend out of your front knee. Let that toe keep touching the front of the mat. As you take the bend out of the front knee, let your body open into this back bend. Let the right palm balance the left hip. You decide if you want to keep your palm on the back thigh or if you want to reach into half camel pose here with extended leg. Keep finding your balance. Keep playing with the pose. Keep adding your own signature to the canvas this morning. Whew. One more breath. And gentle, gentle inhalation. Be fully aware. And gentle, gentle exhalation. Focus on the exhale. Let the palm come down. Inhale deeply. Take your body forward. Tuck the toe under and open into a deep lunge. Exhale deeply. Land the heels next to each other. Coming to your final forward fold. Inhale, pull yourself all the way up. Exhale. Whoo. Relax and release. Breathe in. Breathe out. 3 more ujjayi. 3 more ujjayi. One final time, pull the palms up over your head. And as you exhale, land in your true nature. Here we go, ladies. Breathe in deep. Take the palms up overhead. Exhale nice and slow. Let the palms come down. Inhale, release the right leg back. Exhale, release the left. Press into 10 knuckles and press your heels onto the mat. Breathe deeply and just allow yourself to have 3 more breaths here. Opening into the relaxation of the entire pose. Notice how this downward dog feels different than the very first downward dog you took today. What a journey. What an art form. Nice and slow. Pull yourself into all fours. Drop the knees down. Drop the toes down. Take the knees nice and wide. And these are the final poses. Here we go. Drop the hips back. Right over the heels. Press the palms forward. Let the whole body relax in child's pose. Before you get too comfortable, I want you to inhale and press the body up. Exhale, drop and release the hips back down. Just do that for me 3 more times. Breathing in and breathing out. Breathing in and breathing out. Inhale, come forward. Exhale, press down. One final one. Inhale, come forward. Exhale, press away. For just 5 more breaths. I want you to take the palms behind you. Reach for your heels if you can. No worries if you can't. Just drop the palms down. But I really want you to just press into the forehead here. And focus on the exhalations. Let the exhalations take you deeper into your lower back. Let your lower back and your lower rib cage take you deeper, pressing into the body. One final breath. Amazing, everybody. Take the palms down to the mat. Lift the body all the way up. Slowly and gently, just unwind yourself from child's pose and lift yourself here into bridge pose. Finding bridge pose with the hips up. Extend the arms overhead. Breathe deeply and just feel the expansion. And as you exhale, drop the hips, drop the palms. Inhale, open and lift. Exhale, drop and release. Last three. Breathing in and focusing on the breath out. On that relaxation in the body, right here, right now. One final time. Inhaling. As you exhale, drop the hips down, drop the palms down, and give yourself one final hug. The true nature of who we are is goodness. But as you can hear in the music, there will be thunder clouds in your journey. You must have rain in order to appreciate sunshine. Gently release the heels down. Let the right heel float down. Let the left heel float down. And just let the palms either be on the mat facing down, palms facing up, or one palm on the heart, one palm on the belly. Take your time to just arrive at your Shavasana, getting whatever it is that you need for your practice today. Just close it out, maybe some socks, maybe a sweater. You've arrived, ladies, in Final Shavasana, the most important pose of all. This is the glitter on the canvas. This is the sparkle that you'll find in any artwork. Breathe deep and let your art form find its own way to close. Wiggle the finger. Wiggle the toe. Slowly stretch the arms overhead. With eyes closed, notice the energetic feel of your body right here. And breathe the knees towards the chest and hug those knees toes. Exhale deeply, float the knees over to one side. Your eyes are still closed, and you're just feeling into the honesty of the breath. Gentle exhale, press yourself up and land either on your toes or on your sits bones, deciding which feels better for your body right here, right now. Taking 3 breaths to close your practice. Inhale, pull the arms up overhead. As you exhale, release the palms down, release the breath. Inhale, take your time. Who gets your thoughts of gratitude today? As you exhale, release that thought, release that breath. One final one. Breathe in deep. Pull the palms overhead. And then as you exhale, land in heart center. The love, the light, the goodness and kindness in my heart, which is simply my true nature, honors that love, that light, that goodness and kindness in yours, which is simply your true nature. Namaste.